Hi, this is Ms. Laudin Qureshi. I am from Pakistan. We have a painful paradox in education. In the last few years, I have studied the stats that the unemployment rate is 6.3 percentage, but when it comes to the graduate unemployment rate, it rises to the 16.1%. And specifically, when I talk about the computer science field, it jumped to the 22.6 percentage. And in the same time, IT industries published that we have 20,000 plus jobs unfilled. Means the job exists and there are graduates, but there is no linkage, but there is no compatibility between them. That's why jobs are unfilled. Now there is a problem. First we have to identify the problem, and then we have come up with the solution. So I identify the problem that the industry is requiring the students graduates that are updated, that knows the current trends and tools which are being used in the markets. And the graduates which come from the universities, they are outdated, like because of our curriculum. The curriculum which is being taught and designed by the professor is outdated. So the teacher has no tool that can easily tell him that what are the current trends in the industry. So I come up with a solution, EduForge, bridging the academia industry gap. Now it will what it will do. It is a multi-agent system that will design the curriculum of the semester for the semester, whole semester, and it will be used by the professors and students. And so it contains the current industry trends and readings and each and everything that can solve this problem. So let me show you my project here. So this is my project, like EduForge. Now this is how this project will be run and used by the professors. So first we generate a course. Here the teacher will write the course name and target industry, and here the professor will upload the textbook. And when it click on the generate button, the multi-agent system will be kick off. And then within few minutes, and our blueprint will be ready uh, for the teacher. Now here I have already worked on it. I have created a large language model and finance. Let me load it. And yeah, you can see all the 14 weeks are here, because in Pakistan we have 14 weeks semester. So here in the last we have the PLOs. Now if we open an week, this is the topic, mitigating hallucination and advanced LLM assessments, and I am using this book. Let me show you this book by large language models, apply and implement strategies for large language, the PD Matra. I am using this book. So the weak at mitigating hallucination and advanced LLM assessment. These are the subtopics and industry tie-in and the case studies. And this is the question and research talks. It will be for student that's they should how and in which field the student should research. And this is the practical problem. And these are the inputs for this problem and constraints. And these are the expected output for this problem. And here we have the readings, reference reading, and here we have a link, reference link. So if you open it, and the reference link will be open for the student so he can read it. And in the last let me show you here a meaningful and visualization of the book. I have used reg and wiki. The problem in reg is there are the raw chunks. There is no connection between the chapters, like to visualize how these chapters are working, are interconnected with each other. So I have connected. I have created a wiki, and you can see that how beautifully it visualize all these things. Like if I uh, zoom in, and you can see that there are the chapter 1, and these are the topics in the chapter 1. And it will also show you the edges coming out from the chapter 1. And it means the chapter 6 and chapter 2 is the uh, Chapter 2 is the dependent on the system, on chapter 1. Now the let me show you this code, and this is the code I have designed. I have worked with multiple multi-agent systems, like I have used anti-gravity, cloud, these both for the to develop this system. So this is my project, and I hope this will work for the Pakistan, and it will solve the problem. Thank you so much.